In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all your YouTube subscriptions and the exact time when you subscribe to a specific channel. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your YouTube application and then get in your profile, tap here on your account icon. There, tap on Settings. Here, select History and Privacy right there. Then tap on Manage All Activity. Wait for a couple of seconds and here select Interactions. And there scroll down for a bit and here it is, YouTube channel subscriptions. If you tap on View Subscriptions, here you will get all data about your subscriptions in chronological order. So I see that I subscribed from that specific account to that channel in that date, and I can scroll it down to see all my subscriptions in chronological order. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.